Has the idea of having to answer phone calls at work ever made your stomach drop? If you've been searching for remote jobs and every single listing seems to include "must be comfortable on the phone" or "daily video check-ins required," I get it. That isn't the remote work most people are actually looking for. But here's what most job boards won't tell you. There are real remote jobs where you never have to answer phone calls. No calls, no meetings. Just quiet work you can do from home, and some pay $20 an hour or more. In this video, I'll show you 5 of those jobs, what you actually do, and where to find them. And stay until job number 3. It's one of the easiest remote jobs to get with no experience, and every single one of them is genuinely phone-free. Let me show you what I mean. Before we get into the list, let me be really clear about one thing. A lot of job listings say remote, and then you get hired and find out there are mandatory all-hands calls or daily video check-ins. That is not what this is. Every job I'm covering today is genuinely no phone. No talking, no camera, no live meetings. Let's get into it. Job number 1. The first job is online chat support agent. And before you scroll past, hear me out. This is not customer service over the phone. There are no calls involved at all. Everything is text-based. Customers message a company through a chat window, and you type back responses. You do not need a call center background for this. If you can write clear, helpful messages, you already have the core skill this job needs. Companies verified as hiring for this include Site Staff, The Chat Shop, and LiveWorld. You can find these and others on Indeed and LinkedIn by searching Chat Support Work from Home or Live Chat Agent Remote. Filter for remote and entry level. Pay typically runs between $14 and $20 an hour. No degree required for most of these roles, and many offer part-time hours, ideal if you're easing in. One thing worth knowing, the typing speed most employers look for is around 40 words per minute. Most people already type faster than that without realizing it, so don't let that number put you off. Chat support is a great entry point, and the next job builds on a very similar skill set, but pays noticeably more and is growing faster than almost anything else in remote work right now. Job number 2. Job number 2 is AI trainer, also called data annotator. This field is growing fast in 2026, and most beginners still do not know it exists. No tech background required. This is more about judgment and clear thinking than coding. You review AI-generated responses, rate them for quality and accuracy, and sometimes write better examples yourself. Companies use your feedback to train AI systems over time. The biggest platforms hiring right now are Outlier AI, Data Annotation, and Remote Tasks. Outlier AI in particular has been expanding their hiring significantly this year. I'd start there. On availability. Outlier AI does hire internationally, but task availability and pay rates vary by country. If you're outside the US, Appen is your most globally accessible option for this type of work. They hire in over 170 countries, and the application process is the same wherever you are. And here is why this role stands out right now, especially for beginners. Outlier AI has posted roles paying up to $25 an hour, and the schedule is almost entirely self-directed. You choose when you work and how much. That's genuinely rare for beginner-accessible remote work. These are the kinds of roles that let you build a working life that actually suits you, on your terms, at your pace. Okay, we're about halfway through. And job number 3 is the one I really want you to hear. It's the job most beginners completely scroll past. And honestly, when I first came across it, I was surprised it was as accessible as it is. Don't go anywhere. Job number 3. Here's the one most people miss. Email and ticket support specialist. This is one of the most underrated no-phone remote jobs out there. Large companies run entire support teams that are completely email only. Not mostly email, 100%. Customers send requests through a form or email address, and remote teams respond. No calls, ever. The tools you'll typically use are Zendesk or Freshdesk, customer support platforms used by companies everywhere. If you've used either, mention it in your application. If you haven't, you can learn the basics on YouTube in about an hour, and that small step puts you ahead of most applicants. And this is genuinely good news for international viewers. Email and ticket support is one of the most location-independent jobs on this entire list. Companies hire globally through LinkedIn, Indeed, and We Work Remotely. Where you are matters far less than how clearly you write. Pay for this role typically runs between $16 and $22 an hour. And here's why it's underrated. Most job seekers search customer service and get overwhelmed by phone-heavy results. The people who search specifically for email support remote or ticket support find a much quieter, less competitive pool and get hired faster. If you like the idea of supporting people without live interaction, the next role takes that one step further and gives you even more control over your own schedule. Job number 4. Job 4 is virtual assistant. But I want to be specific because the term VA covers a huge range of work. A lot of VA jobs involve calls, meetings, or being online with clients in real time. That's not what we're talking about here. Async VA work means a client sends you tasks, you complete them on your own schedule, and send back the results. No real-time communication required. Tasks can include managing an email inbox, scheduling appointments, doing online research, organizing documents, or updating spreadsheets. Organized beginners do really well in this role because the work rewards attention to detail, not speed. And one more thing worth knowing. Clients who specifically hire async VAs tend to be founders who prefer written communication themselves. So you're not just finding a quieter job, you're often working with quieter people. Two of the most reputable platforms for async VA work are Belay and Time, etc. Both well-established, both beginner accessible, and both consistently recommended by remote work communities. On LinkedIn, search Virtual Assistant Remote Asynchronous. That specific combination filters out the call-heavy roles. Pay typically ranges from $15 to $25 an hour, depending on your experience and the tasks involved. A quick note on location. Belay and Time, etc. primarily hire in the US and UK. If you're based elsewhere, LinkedIn is your strongest route. Async VA roles are posted by companies and individual founders worldwide, and your location matters much less than your communication skills and reliability. The kind of work that fits around your life, not the other way around. The 5th job on this list is a little different from the others, and I want to give you the full, honest picture before we get to the bonus tip at the end. Job number 5. Job 5 is content moderator. And I want to be upfront about this one because it's a bit different from the others. Content moderators review posts, images, videos, and comments to make sure they follow platform guidelines. It's entirely screen-based work. No phone calls, no live meetings, and no camera. Just focused remote work reviewing content online. Companies that hire for this include TELUS Digital, Appen, and Lionbridge, all large, well-established platforms that are almost always actively hiring. You can apply directly on their websites, and this is the most globally accessible job on this entire list. Appen operates in over 170 countries. TELUS International hires freelancers worldwide. If you are watching from anywhere in the world, this is the role where your location is least likely to be a barrier. Pay is typically $14 to $18 an hour, and the barrier to entry is low, with demand that never really dries up. One smart way to start: try Appen's micro-tasks first. They let you test this type of work at low volume before committing to a regular contract. It's the best way to find out whether it's the right fit for you without overcommitting. Here's the honest part. This job can be emotionally demanding because you're reviewing content that includes things that violate platform guidelines. Some platforms offer mental health support resources. Most let you control how many hours you take on. Just go in with eyes open and know your own limits before you start. 5 jobs, 5 different paths, all of them legitimate, all of them phone-free. Before the recap, one more thing. This is the single most practical tip I can give you for any of these 5 roles. Here's a quick look at everything we covered today. 5 jobs, all phone-free, all beginner accessible. If you found this useful, here's what to do next. If this gave you something useful, subscribe. I post practical remote job leads and career tips every week, specifically for beginners and career changers. No fluff, no scams, just real information you can act on. And drop a comment. Tell me which of these 5 jobs you'd actually apply for first. I read every single one. And if you're not sure where to start, tell me a little about your background and I'll point you in the right direction. I'll see you in the next one.